Collecting payments without chasing invoices can be a game changer for your business. No one likes the constant back and forth of sending reminders or nagging clients to pay on time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to collect payments efficiently without the stress of following up on unpaid invoices. First things first, you need a system in place that makes it easy for clients to pay you and that automates the reminder process. The key here is automation. If you're still manually sending reminders and keeping track of due dates, you're wasting time. With the right software, you can automate invoice reminders, send recurring invoices, and even set up payment plans, so your clients pay you without you having to chase them down. We've tried several popular software options, but today I'm showing you one that really stood out. This software is designed to streamline your invoicing and payment collection process. It lets you set up automatic reminders, so clients get an email or text notification when their payment is due or overdue. This takes the burden off your shoulders and ensures you're paid on time, every time. Another great feature of the software we're using today is the ability to accept multiple payment methods. From credit cards to bank transfers, this ensures that your clients can pay in the way that's most convenient for them. This makes the process seamless for both you and your clients, reducing the chance of missed payments. You can also set up recurring billing for subscription-based services or retainer clients. This way, you won't need to worry about sending out new invoices each month, and you'll have predictable, automated income. Plus, you can keep track of everything in one dashboard, so you'll know exactly where you stand with each client at any given time. Now, one of the things that often gets overlooked is your payment terms. Setting clear expectations upfront is essential to avoid confusion and ensure timely payments. The software lets you set specific payment terms like net 30 or due upon receipt, and sends automatic reminders based on these terms. This gives your clients a clear timeline, and it removes the awkwardness of chasing payments. Another feature to make things even smoother is automatic late fees. If a client doesn't pay by the due date, the software will automatically apply a late fee to their invoice. This encourages timely payments and makes it clear that there are consequences for missing deadlines. I know you're probably thinking, that sounds great, but how do I get started? Well, I've got you covered. The software we're using today comes with a free trial exclusively for my viewers, so you can follow along and see how it works for yourself. You'll find the link in the description below, so don't miss out on that. So, to summarize, the key takeaway from this video is that you don't have to chase invoices anymore. With automation, clear payment terms, multiple payment methods, and built-in late fees, you can collect payments efficiently and without stress. Remember, you can get started with an exclusive free trial of this software. Link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the trial and let me know in the comments how much easier it makes your payment process. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.